Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a short story for kids. It's titled The Ant and the Grasshopper. Are you ready? Let's get started. Once there was an ant. She lived in a field. A grasshopper lived near its hole. They were friends. The grasshopper was lazy. In the months of summer, it sang and made merry. It didn't store food for winter. It was careless. The ant was not lazy. She worked day and night. She gathered grains for winter. In winter, the ground was covered with snow. While the grasshopper had nothing to eat, the ant had grains. The grasshopper went to the ant to borrow some grains. The ant asked it what it had been doing during the summer. The grasshopper said that it sang and made merry during all summer. The ant replied, "If you sang the summer away, you should dance away the winter." This is the end of our story today. And the moral from this story is no pain, no gain. See you next time in another video. Bye.